Hi loves, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. A warm welcome to you if you are new here. My name is Bridget and on this channel I share food recipes, DIY kids projects and family support videos. In today's video, we are going to be making Ghana tea bread that is soft and yummy. I will list all the ingredients and their right quantity in the description box below for easy access as always. So starting with, I'm going to be pouring some warm water into my bowl. To that, I'll add some sugar. I'll add my yeast, give it a stir and cover it for the yeast to proof. The yeast is going to be proven by foaming, and just like this, I'll add my flour. It is important you know the right measurement of flour you are adding, so I will list a link of the video that I made on how to measure your flour without a kitchen scale in the description box below. I added some salt and some butter. I'm going to be using my clean hand to mix this dough together. You don't need a mixing machine or kitchen aid to make this recipe, so it means anybody can make this Ghana tea bread very easy. So I'm going to be kneading the dough by pulling and stretching it and pressing it down for about 10 to 12 minutes to make the dough relax. You will know the dough is down when you press it down with your finger and it bounces back to you like that. Then you know it is ready. I will grease my bowl with some butter. I'll place the dough in, cover it and place it in one place for it to double up in size. So I'm going to be transferring the dough onto my chopping board. I'll divide it into two. You can divide it into many parts as you want. So depending on how big you want your loaf to be, you can divide it to that many parts. I'm just going to be rolling my dough into logs, and after that I am going to be making the edges pointy. That is the signature look of Ghana tea bread. I'll use my palm or my heel to just make it pointy. After that, I'm going to pinch the edges together to close it. I'll place it on a dusted baking pan, and I'm going to be covering it and let it double up in size again for about 30 minutes in a warm place. It will depend on how warm your place is, and that time will depend on how long you are going to keep it. After that time it has doubled up in size, I'm going to dust it with some flour and we are going to be baking this. I will bake mine at 330 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Every oven is different, so please adjust your temperature to your oven. So after baking, this is how our tea bread is looking. It looks very delicious. It was soft, and you can enjoy your tea bread with the regular tea. You can enjoy it with Milo or hot cocoa, whatever you would like to enjoy your tea with, you are allowed to enjoy it. This recipe calls for no egg and no milk, so if it is something that you will like this bread so much. There is no egg in it. You don't need any machine. It is easy to make and anybody can make it. No excuse at all. You can eat Ghana bread anywhere you are from the comfort of your kitchen. And there are countless serving suggestions for tea bread or any bread of choice. You can spread some butter in it as I'm doing, and with your tea, that will be nice, so delicious. You can also spread in some Nutella with hot cocoa. I made this recipe. I will be sharing it on the channel very soon, how to make your own homemade Nutella, and it was so good. You can spread some on the Ghana tea bread as well, and you can also fry some egg or make egg omelette, and that will be amazing as well. Thank you so much for joining me on this delicious adventure. If you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for more videos in the future, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, take care.